Assalamu alaikum, this is Salahuddin and we are going to create this type of menu with free Elementor. Okay, this type of menu with free Elementor. So first of all what we have to do is to install a plugin which name is Royal Addons Elementor. Let me tell you, Royal Addons, ROYAL. Let's see if it shows up. Yes, this one, it's already installed. I have to update it, but you have to install, click on install now and then activate it. Okay, so after installing Royal Elementor add-ons and templates plugin, you have to go to your menu wherever you want. I have a custom header. You can, if you want to create custom header with free Elementor, you can check our recent video. So we have to click on Elementor header and footer. Here in the header, let me tell you what you have to do. Here you will click on edit with Elementor. And now I will tell you what you have to do. You have to replace your menu or your simple menu with Royal menu. I have already replaced it, but I want to show you that this is not the simple menu, but this is the Royal. As you can see, it is edit mega menu. This is the mega menu, not the simple menu. I will show you from here. Yes, this one. This R shows that this is because of the Royal Addons plugin. Okay, you have to select this menu, and then we now have this menu on our three menu items, but now we are going to put this on heels and flats. Okay, so what we have to do, after selecting this mega menu, you have to select your menu and then you have to go to your dashboard. Let me show you your dashboard. This is our dashboard, and here you have to go to menus, appearance, menus. Okay, after going to menus, you have to select your menu. This is not our menu, we have I think main menu. Okay, so we will select our menu. Yes, no, this is not the menu. Let me see, women jeans, top and shirts. No, this is not the one. Secondary menu. Let's see, I'm sorry, I forgot the name of that menu. My god, this is not even the menu for him, for her. Let's see, I think this one is the menu. Yes, this one. Okay, so now we have mega menu on women jeans, tops and shirts, women jackets. Now we have to put it on heels and flats. So we will click on heels and flats. Okay, and you have to click on mega menu, and here you will enable this one and click edit with Elementor. Okay, so using Elementor you can create any type of menu. You have to create columns based on your requirements. Yes, this is somehow we have already a sample, but if you don't have, no worries. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, you can create 3 columns or 4 columns based on your needs. So we are going to add for example a button here, and let's see this one. Okay, and we are going to add some text here, and let's see, add another button on the second side. Okay, you can use all these elements of Elementor Okay, let's update it. And now let's see if that is applied. Okay, this is okay. Now we have to check it on our header. So to check our header, we have to go to our website and click on heels and flats. Why it's not showing up? Should show up. Okay, okay, let's see. After clicking this, we have to save this one. Okay, so after saving, we will be able to, yes, it's saved now, and here we will click on save the menu. After saving the menu, we will be able to see the changes in our website. Let's see. Yes, we have this one now. Let it load. Yes, we have this now on our menu, heels and flats. Okay, you can create any mega menu like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel, and we would love to see your kind comments.